Let's repurpose this Moto jacket. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to repurpose this Moto jacket that I found at a Goodwill. It still had all the padding inside, so I wanted to do a little repurposing so I could re-wear it. The first thing I did to start to repurpose this Moto jacket was to remove all of the padding from the arms. I didn't realize how much thick padding was on the arms, so I just took out those. And then I removed the larger piece of padding from the back. I wanted to make this Moto jacket a little bit more personalized for me, so I ended up bedazzling both of the patches on the shoulders and the patch on the back. And here is my finished Moto jacket. I love the bedazzled detail on the shoulders and the back, and I definitely feel like the fit is a lot better without all of the extra padding. I highly recommend checking out a local Goodwill just to see if there's any Moto jackets that you can possibly repurpose. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie.